Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you my Samsung Galaxy S24 FE received the One UI 8 official update. So if you have recently purchased Samsung Galaxy S24 FE for Flipkart Big Billion Day or if you have a Samsung S24 FE device, you can check for the One UI 8 latest update on your Samsung device. So open the app drawer on your Samsung S24 FE. You have the settings app. Now here you can see software update is available. Also you can scroll down to manually check. Tap on a software update. Tap on the download and install option. Here you can see the elevate your everyday with Galaxy AI, One UI 8 and Android 60 enhance your AI experience with smarter tools for communication. So here you can see the app update information One UI 8 version, Android version 16, size 3295.73 MB. So you can see approximately 3.2 GB size in the One UI 8 version on your Samsung S24 FE device. So you can check it. So app update, tap on the resume download. Now here you can see download the updates. Here you can see the time left. So here you can see all changes. So tap on it. Now you can see the list of all changes in the latest One UI 8 version in your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE device. So if you have a Samsung S24 FE, check for the software update. See calls on the screen, create unique pet portraits, clean up sound, use audio eraser to automatically reduce the volume of wind and other background noise. Stay up to date with the now brief. So several users facing the now bar or now brief issue. I hope this will solve using this latest One UI 8 update. Translate emergency alerts, faster AI select. So when you start the AI select, you can now select an area of the screen immediately. So you don't need to wait. More convenience AI result. In the personalization section, you can see the new lock screen clock style, new font, beautiful new wallpapers, wallpaper suggestion. In the productivity, check stock price without unlocking your Samsung device, easier file sharing with the quick share, sticky notes, add new quick note settings, find, download fast, redesign Samsung internet, scientific calculator in the portrait view. In multitasking, you can see the three different settings. Do more in DeX on connected display. So if you want to connect your phone with the DeX mode, you can use this enhanced display support for the DeX and the enhanced split screen view. So you can easily access to application. In the reminder, you can see new reminder interface, new sample reminder, add reminder easily, calendar, different calendar settings, manage reminder in calendar, add events quickly. Samsung Health, you can see the running coach, bedtime guidance, running challenges, check your antioxidant intake, food recording reminders, track your vascular load. In the photo and videos, swipe up or down to open the quick control, to quickly access the photos, audio enhancement, quick access the Galaxy Bird setting, easily connect to Oracast broadcast. In the communication, you can see improve profile cards and review recorded calls in the contact. Security and privacy setting, enhance the secure folder, stronger account security, show or hide notification content while lock your Samsung S24 FE. Accessibility setting, you can see pinch and zoom with the assistant menu, control mouse action, magnify your keyboard, easily pair Bluetooth, and mode and routines, my new preset routines and new routine action that will helpful to quickly access your favorite information. Even more improvement, easily organize alarms, enhance app notification settings, and revamp weather visuals. So this is all about important update details in the latest One UI 8 version on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE device. So check in your S24 FE if available update and update it. I will make another video after update my device to One UI 8 16 version, what the changes compared to One UI 7. So please subscribe our channel to get the latest Samsung One UI 8 update. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.